Hello, today we're going to tour 7200 Brady Oaks Drive, Fort Worth, Texas. Now this property is located just off of Jacksboro Highway, and it lies in an exclusive gated community, and I believe it's the largest property in the community. It also lies just south of Eagle Mountain Lake and borders the Fort Worth Wildlife Refuge Center. It's on 18 acres. It has a house, and you just have to stick with us in this video to see the rest of it, because I think that you're going to be very pleased just knowing this property is here. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go meet Mario Barbosa, the seller of the property. And I'm Bernie Christian with the Christian group Keller Williams Realty. So without further delay, let's go see Mario. Hello, welcome back. I'm Bernie Christian with the Christian group Keller Williams Realty, and thank you for being with us today. I want to introduce the seller of this wonderful property, Mr. Mario Barbosa. Mario, are you ready to get started on this tour?
I'm ready. Sit back and relax, guys. It will be fun.
All right, let's go. So Mario, about how deep is this lake?
It's about 16 feet deep in the middle.
All right, 16 feet deep, and you have it well stocked.
Well stocked with all kinds of fish. Yes.
What kinds of fish do you have in it?
Oh, you name it, we got it. There's about 5 or 6 different kinds of fish in here.
Okay, great.
So this property does have an Ag-exemption for bees. The way that works is you have to have bees on your property for at least 7 years, and then on the year number 8, that's when you get your Ag-exemption.
Okay.
And we're actually on year 9 or 10 or so.
You've got a target up here for axe throwing, and then just up the hill from that, there's is it a tree house?
It's a tree house.
Yeah, okay. So this is another elevated area where you could hunt from, and you're overlooking a creek bed. Let's talk about these boulders. There are a number of boulders on the property, and you had a specific number. You said
I counted 56.
56
I actually went
of them?
around the property. So what happened is that the excavator guy that constructed this property, he made a deal with a property owner that had hundreds of boulders, and he basically traded his services and excavation services for the boulders. So there's 56 boulders around this property.
Now, also, we're standing on what I would call a picnic area. It's like, again, it's like being in a park. You've actually got a picnic area with a grill. So Mario, here is the second dam on the property, and you can drive across that in your side-by-side all-terrain vehicle.
Yes.
And that goes up to the house.
Yeah.
So now we're on this smaller bridge, and it looks like it's wooden, but actually it's all concrete and mortar, except for the wood overlay, which is just for sound effect.
You bet, it's just aesthetics. It's solid concrete. The boards, they're held in place, and it sounds nice when you drive over them. Okay,
Mario, we're kind of on a little island, rock island here. You want to talk about this?
Yeah, so this is our succulent garden. So you'll find all kinds of succulents, from I guess a regular cactus.
Another feature that I really love about your property is you've got a couple RV spots.
You bet. So we got 2 RV spots, and they're fully equipped with water, electricity, sewerage, and cable.
In my mind, no park is complete without a playground. So a nice little children's play area very close to the house, and with an awesome view.
You bet. Whether you have kids or grandkids or great-grandkids, you have to have a playground.
All right, so Mario, a couple of things here. We're at the court entrance to your property, but the well or wells are right over here behind you, and then of course to my right we have a 2-hole golf course. Hello folks. Well, we finished with our tour, and I think that you've got a great perspective on the property right now. So Mario, any final words before we go?
Well, hope you enjoyed it. Come on down and come meet us.
All right, that's it. So if you have any questions about this property, contact me or my wife Terri Christian at 817-269-1660 and make an appointment to see this house. Very well.